Welcome back. If you are here, you have watched 1, 2, and 3. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bird. I am an entertainer. For this in particular, we are reviewing Peace Be Still. It is a web series that is available on Vimeo.com. The link is down there in the description box. Just so you know, for seasons 1, 2, and 3, you can rent it or you can purchase it. Purchasing it is $5. I will go ahead and just purchase it. You can get it uncensored, uncut, and without my commentary, because I definitely get it. If you want to watch it without commentary, definitely watch it in the description box. But if you've already seen it, then you're here to watch it and react with me. You should already know that there's going to be some things. Okay? Spoilers, cussing, fussing, sipping, smoke, incense. It's incense, you guys. It's just my herbs from my special garden. Oh! It's how dry. Like, you give me the good strong strokes now. It's like, yeah. I got you in bed now, bitch. Uh-oh.
No. I was asked to be here. By who?
By me.
That part.
It's nice to know that I have someone on my side in the room.
What can I say? I will always get what I want.
Let's throw it all
And
out
now
there,
I'm
Sean.
here to make sure that your brother gets what he wants.
What the fuck are you doing here?
It's a board meeting, right? I'm on the board. So let's vote. Bro.
Well, oh, that's set at the head.
Hopefully there's no more interruptions, and as I was saying, we're here today to vote to see if we would like to take still publications public or not. Abigail?
Nay.
I'm finna say, girl, what?
Yeah.
Nay.
Oh.
If you ever blackmail me again to make me do something I don't want to do, it'll be the last fucking breath you take. Did I make myself clear?
Yeah, it's Chloe. Open the door.
Oh!
Oh, damn. You ain't even remember who she was? That's crazy. That's crazy.
Listen, you want to be a model, right? Well, if you want to be a model, certain things you got to do. As a matter of fact, it's help you lose some weight.
Oh, wow.
And from what I can tell, you can use some help in that area. So, come on.
No, Kenny, I can't because I'm pregnant with our baby.
What the fuck did you just say to me?
You'll just get rid of it. Just get it on.
No.
Get it on.
I'm not killing our baby.
Listen to me, okay?
Uh-oh.
You will get an abortion.
Oh.
Over my dead body.
Oh.
That can be arranged.
You failed. We failed.
So what's next?
I'm not sure. But whatever it is, we have to make sure that it works. Failure is not an option. Our family's revenge depends on it. The Steele family will pay for their sins.
Back to the back. Ow.
They shall come and go freely and find good pastures. I come
that you may have life. Have life more abundantly.
Oh! Oh! He did it! He did it! Is she really did, or is she, oh man. Oh. Oh. I thank you guys for watching this with me and allowing me to take up your time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit that button, hit the subscribe button so you know when I'm dropping content. So I'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys. I'm going to bed. I'm sleepy.